Let's build a new dashboard. Let's build a new dashboard. Use this when starting a Power BI dashboard project. I'll import the data first. Use this when loading data into Power BI. The data has been refreshed successfully. Use this after updating your dataset. Let's create a new visual. Use this when adding a chart or graph to a report. This dashboard is fully interactive. Use this when demonstrating dashboard features. I'll add a slicer to the report. Use this when inserting a slicer for filtering data. Let's create a calculated measure. Use this when building a DAX measure. The report loads quickly. Use this when discussing dashboard performance. This chart shows the sales trend. Use this when explaining a line chart. Let's filter the data by region. Use this when demonstrating report filters. The KPI card displays total revenue. Use this when presenting a KPI visual. I'll publish the report today. Use this when uploading a report to the Power BI service. The report is ready for review. Use this when your dashboard is complete. Let's compare actual and target sales. Use this when analyzing business performance. This page summarizes the key metrics. Use this when introducing a dashboard summary page. I'll update the report based on your feedback. Use this after receiving review comments. The visuals are easy to understand. Use this when describing a clear dashboard. Let's improve the report layout. Use this when enhancing the dashboard design. This dashboard supports better decisions. Use this when explaining the value of the report. The report is connected to live data. Use this when explaining a live data connection. I'll share the dashboard with the team. Use this when giving colleagues access to the report. Please review the latest version. Use this when requesting feedback on your dashboard. The dashboard is ready for presentation. Use this before presenting your work. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Use this after receiving comments on your report. Let's continue improving our dashboards. Use this when encouraging continuous improvement.